Knowledge Nest, your home for learning. Vocabulary of letter E. E, capital E, small e. E is for eagle. 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 E is for eel. 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 E is for ear. 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 E is for 11. 11. 11. E is for earth. 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 E is for empty. 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 E is for eyes. 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 E is for exit. 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 E is for eight. 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 E is for excavator. 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 E is for engine. 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 E is for eraser. 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 E is for eggplant. 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 E is for eating. 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 E is for envelope. 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 E is for elephant. 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 E is for owls. 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 E is for edge. 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 E is for egg. 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 E is for elbow. 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 Is for elk. Elk. Elk.